Imagine if you could smell time, like detecting who walked into a room hours ago, or sense emotions without saying a word. Sounds like something out of a superhero movie, right? Well, for dogs, this isn't fiction, it's their everyday reality. Today, we're exploring the mind-blowing superpower of a dog's nose. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your furry friend the same way again. To truly appreciate a dog's sense of smell, let's compare it to our own. While humans rely on vision as their primary sense, dogs are nose-first creatures. Their sense of smell is about 40 times better than ours, thanks to having over 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses. To put that into perspective, we only have about 5 million. That's like comparing a smartphone camera to a professional telescope. And it's not just about the numbers. A dog's nose is designed for efficiency. Ever noticed how it's wet? That moisture actually helps them absorb scent chemicals better. It's like their built-in scent amplifier. So, what can dogs do with this incredible sense of smell? The possibilities are endless. Did you know that dogs can detect cancer? That's right. By sniffing human breath, urine, or sweat, trained dogs can identify certain types of cancer, sometimes more accurately than medical tests. They're literally saving lives with their noses. And it doesn't stop there. Dogs can recognize familiar people just by their scent. Think about that favorite sweatshirt you've worn a dozen times. Even after months apart, your dog can tell it's yours because of the unique chemical signature you leave behind. It's like a fingerprint, but for smells. Here's another fascinating fact. Puppies are born blind and deaf, so they rely entirely on their sense of smell to find their mother. From day one, their noses are their guide to survival. And we can't talk about dog noses without mentioning their tracking skills. Bloodhounds, for example, can follow a scent trail that's several days old. They're so good at it that their findings are even admissible in court. But how do dogs process all this information? Interestingly, a dog's brain is about 1/10 the size of a human's, yet a large portion of it is dedicated to smell. That's why they're sensory geniuses. They can even smell emotions like fear or happiness, thanks to subtle chemical changes in our sweat. When a dog sniffs, it's not just identifying what something is, it's analyzing layers of information, where it's been, how long it's been there, and even what it's feeling. It's like they're reading a story in the air. So, what does this mean for us dog lovers? It means that every sniff your dog takes is an exploration of the world. When they stop to sniff a tree, they're not just wasting time, they're gathering data about who's been there and what's going on. And when your dog sniffs you after a long day, it's their way of understanding how you're feeling. This superpower is why dogs are used in search and rescue missions, to detect drugs and explosives, and even to monitor health conditions. It's also why they form such deep emotional connections with us. They literally know us through scent. The next time your dog buries their nose into your hand or a random patch of grass, remember, they're tapping into a world of smells we can't even begin to imagine. If you found this as fascinating as I did, give this video a like, share it with a fellow dog lover, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing pet facts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give your furry friend a little extra love today. They've definitely earned it.